L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore and love.
Hey! Alright my friends, let's break down this combination, but before we do, if you find yourself struggling to pick up the footwork and learn it, I would highly recommend our beginner lesson series at unitedtaps.com. That's going to give you the solid foundation to be able to pick up and learn combinations like this. So if you've never tapped before, don't expect yourself to be able to get all these steps. You should probably have some lessons, and I've built a lesson series from the ground up that assumes you know nothing, starts from the very beginning, and will build you up so that you can easily do combinations like the one we're about to do. Let's break it down.
By continuing to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Start with your feet together and your right heel popped. We're going to snap on 2, 4, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, step, snap, step, snap, step, snap, step, snap. And the counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's connect it all from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do a step on the right and drag the left. Drag, step, step, followed by step, heel, step, heel. I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do that same pattern on the left foot. Drag, step, 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 heel, step, heel. Let's try that left side again. 5, 6, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do both sides on the drag, starting on the right. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's connect it all from the beginning. Here we go. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, dig, step, 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 dig, step, step, stamp. I'll do that again. Ready, go. Dig, step, 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 dig, step, step, stamp, scuff, step, drag. Alright, so the last part was a scuff. That's when we hit our heel. Scuff, step, drag. Good, let's go from the dig, step, step, step with some counts. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent, my friends. Let's connect it all from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that one more time. One more time. And 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, we're going to do 2 flap ball changes starting on 8. Flap ball change, flap ball change, followed by flap, step, spank, step, step. 1, 2, 3. Again, that last part was flap, step, spank, step, step. 1, 2, 3. Let's go from the flap ball change, starting on count 8. And I'm going to count it out for you. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're definitely going to do that again. Here we go. Starting on count 8. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Back to the top. Connect it all together. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, stamp. It's 8 counts of heels, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And I'm leading with my heels. And on count 1, I'll stamp and look to the left. Let's do those heels, toes again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, touch 3, 4. Then we're going to do sugar foots. 5, 6, 7, 8, and touch 1. So that final stamp after all the heels, toes, that stamp was 1, 2, then we touched 3, 4, then sugar, 6, 7, 8, 1. And congratulations, you made it to the end of the combination. That's awesome. Let's go back and do it from the heels, toes. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's do that one more time. Same exact thing. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's put it all together from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes, 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 yes. One more time, and then we get to do it with music. That's the most fun part, right? One more time, and then we'll add some music. Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Beautiful. Pardon my singing. I try to kind of sort of sing the melody line as I'm counting, but I know my pitch is off, so my apologies. Let's do it with music. That'll be much better than my singing. All right, my friends, are you ready? Here we go. Let's do it. We're going to start about 10% under speed, so we can get used to it. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore and love.
Yay! Excellent. Now, if it felt a little fast, that's okay. Give yourself a few rounds to get used to that faster speed. It does get more comfortable in time. Let's try it again, that same speed. All right, here we go. From the top.
Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore and love.
Hey, beautiful. Let's do one more this speed. Then we're going to try real tempo. All right, one more this speed. So if this one's comfortable, no worries. Enjoy this one. Here we go.
Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore and love.
Hey!
Is all that I can give.
All right, my friends, real speed, good luck. You can do it. It might take you a few rounds of practice, but I think you can do this. Here we go. Real speed. Let's do it. Woo!
Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore and love.
Hey!
Is all that I can give.
Now, if that felt brisk, don't worry, it even felt brisk to me. It'll take us a few rounds to get comfortable with that speed. Let's do it again. Here we go. Going to get better every time, better every time.
Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore and love.
Hey!
Is all that I can give.
Beautiful. Let's do it one more time at real speed. You can do this, my friends. Getting better every time. Here we go.
Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. more than anyone that you adore, and love is all that I can.
Beautiful. I'm going to do it one more time facing you. So again, you can see what it looks like from the front. You're not expected to follow along because I'll be going the opposite way as you. This is just so you can see how it looks.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore, and love is all that I can.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tapping with me. Again, if you struggled with any part of that, you can take our beginner series at unitedtaps.com. I have a whole beginner series. We teach you the basics from the very beginning until you know. This is the toe tap, this is the heel tap, toes, heels, step heels. We'll get you a solid foundation so that when I post combinations like this, you can do them. So if you struggled, try our beginner lesson series at unitedtaps.com. I think that's really going to help you. We also have other beginning choreography. We have practice exercises. We have a tap dance workout. We have a lot of things to help you work on your skills and also keep you in shape. Let's be honest, this helps keep us in shape, this tap dancing thing, right? Beautiful. So I hope you'll hop on over to unitedtaps.com and check that out. I, of course, am Howell from unitedtaps.com, where we're teaching the world to tap dance.